Hello everyone, we have got Akriti, an emotional healing coach who help people release their deep-seated trauma and reconnect with their inner selves. And it's me, Dr. Kushal. I'm a dental surgeon practicing in Juhu, and I make sure that I live a holistic approach and help my patients relieve from the pain, from the dental pain, but at the same time connect them to their inner selves. So Akriti, welcome to our podcast, and let's start with the big one. The word healing gets thrown a lot nowadays. So let's start with this. What is healing and what is not?
Thank you, Dr. Kushal. So that's a great question. Healing is coming home to your own self. Healing is messy, it's layered, and it's disruptive. It's not a quick fix, it's not positive thinking. Real healing means sitting with discomfort, processing it, and not avoiding it.
So from a medical standpoint, healing does not mean just that wound closes or the pain stops. Healing actually means restoration of the form and the function and the balance. For instance, when we pull out a tooth, it doesn't mean just to make the patient pain-free. It also means to restore the balance of function, aesthetics and overall well-being of the patient. सिर्फ सरफेस फिक्स नहीं, अंदर का बैलेंस भी जरूरी है. सो आकृति, अक्सर लोग कहते हैं कि इमोशंस का बॉडी से क्या लेना देना. क्या ये सच में कनेक्टेड है?
100%. अगर माइंड स्ट्रेस स्टोर करती है, बॉडी उसको एक्सप्रेस करती है in the form of migraines, digestive issues. It is like your body is giving you signals. Emotions को avoid करने का price body देती है.
Exactly. Even I come across certain patients who have, because of physiological stress, they keep clenching their teeth and इतना clench करते हैं कि दांत ही टूट जाते हैं. And then we have to give them something like night guard to safeguard their teeth. So it is a physiological expression of emotional stress. So Akriti, I always wondered that ये जो healing होता है, is it linear? Like once you start therapy, you keep getting better and better? How is it like?
Big no. Healing is like peeling a layer of an onion. At every layer you cry. Sometimes it gets messy before you get better. There are relapses, rewiring. Progress is always not visible. It is not about what you see. It is about how you start feeling in the journey.
Exactly. Even after surgery, in post-op recovery, the inflammation may rise, may fall. The body takes time to adjust to it. The key is consistency and not perfection. Important यही है कि आप रुके नहीं. So आकृति, क्या हर प्रॉब्लम का सलूशन मिलना जरूरी है for healing?
Healing मतलब हर प्रॉब्लम का सलूशन नहीं. कभी कभी एक्सेप्टेंस ही काफी होता है. It's about learning to live with those parts of yourself you once rejected. Healing is not about elimination, it's about integration.
Yes, that is so true. Perfection की जगह हम comfort और function को target करते हैं. So Akriti, I have heard so many healers talk about these energies. I was always curious to know ये energies क्या होती है and how can this energy, which is a subtle thing, transform a person's life when it is navigated from one person to another.
Great question, doctor. So when we talk about energies, they are like subtle vibrations which are present within us and around us. Just like electricity powers everything, our energy carries information, thoughts and emotions. Also, trauma gets stored in the energetic field, causing blocks. Healers like me are trained to sense and navigate this energy, clear and cleanse those blocks and realign the mind and the physical body.
Wow, that's so awesome. So Akriti, let's end this with a take-home message. What is that one tip or one suggestion you will give to someone who wants to start their healing journey from today?
So in very simple words, healing is just an art to connect to already what exists within us. So be gentle with yourself. The healing path is sacred. It is slow. Find someone who would see you beyond your own wounds.
Wow, that is amazing and so insightful. So I would like to summarize that healing is a subtle energy, although we can't see it like we can't see electricity, but it is happening. I feel that you should trust our body, trust ourselves, connect with your inner self and allow the magic to happen.
So choose yourself. Healers like me can help you become the best version of yourself.